Mansory has revealed a new, soft kit for the Porsche 911 Turbo S, and given the level of restraint we assume that the German tuning house has responded to the feedback for its gaudy PL9M Evo 900 kit, which butchered the 911 Turbo S. As the name suggests, the new soft kit takes down the aggressive styling a notch. It's still filled with carbon fiber, particularly on its hood, rear wing, side mirrors, and front splitter. It likewise rides on a new set of black-colored wheels, which are subtler than those offered on the previous kit. Mansory's soft kit has a traditional carbon fiber look with consistent wavy patterns instead of the flaky exposed forged carbon fiber on the PL9M Evo 900. It also lacks the latter's enlarged air intake, wheel-well ventilation ducts, and large roof ducts. Mansory also opted to provide the soft kit with a subtler rear diffuser. Overall, its exterior is similarly executed to the Aston Martin DBX the German tuning firm modified. The best part is that the soft kit has a more significant mechanical improvement than the uglier kit. It pushes the 911 Turbo S to produce 900 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque. That's a significant increase over the 888 horsepower Evo 900 kit and a lot more powerful than the stock car. For your reference, the 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-6 on the 911 Turbo S makes 640 horsepower and 590 lb-ft from the factory. Thanks to the increased output, the tuning company says the soft kit allows the 911 to get from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's faster than a stock Taycan Turbo S. As to how it got this power, the company has yet to share that. However, if the PL9M Evo 900 kit is anything to go by, we reckon this power bump came from larger turbochargers, an ECU tune, and a high-performance exhaust. Suffice it to say, the Mansory's kit for the Porsche 911 Turbo S doesn't look half bad. It still has an egregious amount of carbon fiber, but the execution's easier on the eyes.